Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question find original array from double array, and the question type is media, and the question says we need to return the double original array if it is double array. So first we need to check whether it is double array, our input is double array or not. If it is double array, we need to return the original array. If it is not double array, we need to return the vacant array. So the question is now, what is double array? So the double array is when array changed by appending twice the value of every element in original and then randomly shuffling the resulting array. So if we multiply each digits of this original array 1, 3, 4, if we multiply each digit with 2 like 2, 6 and 8, right? And if we shuffle all these two inputs, all these two integers, that changed array will be our double array like 1 3 4 2 6 8. If we shuffle these integers, that array will be our double array. So they will give us double array, and we need to check whether it is double array or not. If it is double array, we need to return the original array. If it is not, we need to return simply the vacant array. So how we will solve this question? Like in this example, you can see we have 1, we have 2, right? We have 3, we have 6, we have 4, we have 8. So it is double array, and so we will return the 1 3 4. Now I want to tell you one thing. For being a double array, the size of this array always should be even. Like if we have the original array 4 digits like 1 4 2 3 4, if we multiply each digits with 2, the total number of digits in the final array, double array, will be 8, right? And if it is 3 digit, if we multiply with 2, the total digits will be 6. So it will be always be even, always will be even in the double array. So first we will check whether the number of digits or integer in this array is even or odd. If it is odd, we will simply return the vacant array. Now we will make a two array. One is answer and second one is vacant array. In that condition where we need to return vacant array, we will return simply the vacant array. And now we will also make a unordered map where we will store the frequencies of each integers. Like 1 is 1 time, 3 is 1 time, 4 is 1 time, 2 is 1 time, 6 is 1 time, and 8 is 1 time. Like this we will store the frequencies of each integer, and we will check whether we have and we will sort this in increasing order. It will be 1 2 3 4 6 8, and we will iterate on these integers. We will first go on 1 and we will check whether we have 1:2 or not. If we have 1:2, we will decrease the frequency of each integers, and if we have not the 1:2, like if we have 1 but we don't have 2, in that condition we will return the vacant array, right? But I want to tell you one thing here. In after first iteration we will have 3 4 6 8. The frequency of 3 will be 1, the frequency of 4 will be 1, 6 will be 1, 8 will be 1, and the frequency of 1 and 2 will be 0, right? But our iteration will now on 2, not on 3, because we are moving on each value of this integer on this array. They are moving on this array. So now the frequency of 2 will be 0. In that condition we will simply continue, because we have already checked this value, right? So like this we will first go on 1 2 and then 3 4 6 8. On first iteration we will find that 1 and 2 both are present, y and y:2 both are present, so we will decrease the frequency of both these values. After 2, when the iteration will be on 2, we will simply continue. Then our iteration will be on 3. In that condition we will check for the 3:2. Yes, it is its frequency is more than 1 or equal to 1. So in that condition we will decrease the frequency of these two values. Now our iteration will be on 4. So we will decrease the iteration of 4 and 8 both. Now our iteration will be on 6. It is the frequency of 6 is 0, so we'll simply continue. Now our iteration will be on 8 and the frequency of 8 is 0, so we will simply continue. So our solution will be 1 3 4. Like this we will solve this question. Now I have codes of all these three languages, Java, C++, and Python. I am explaining you C++, and I will also upload this solution in the description. I will give the link. You can download and check it. Now here it is for size of the array. Here it is for storing the answer, where we will store the answer 1 3 4. It is a vacant array. When we need to return the vacant array, we will simply return vacant answer. It is for the storing the frequencies of each input, unordered map. It is when we have odd number of inputs, like our input array has odd number of digits or integers. Here we are sorting in the increasing order. Here we are storing the frequency of each integers, as I have already told you. Here in this here it is for when we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now after first iteration 1 2, both this frequency will be 0, but our iteration will be on 2. In that condition, when the frequency is 0, in that condition we will simply continue. And if we have y, like we have 3 and we don't have 6, the frequency of 6 is 0, in that condition we will return the vacant answer. If we have both 3 and 6, we will store our 3, y we will store in our answer, we will push back, and we will decrease the frequency of both 3 and 6 here and here, and finally we will return the answer. So now see our code. Let's run this code. I have already solved these codes in Java, Python, and C++. It's running. Thank you.